Today we continue our course in serverless fundamentals. Today we continue also our section in talking about Lambda. Today we'll talk about the context in Lambda. What is the context object in Lambda? So in Lambda, in AWS Lambda, the context object provide information about the runtime environment of the Lambda functions. It is passed to your function by AWS Lambda and contains methods and properties that provide information about the invocation function and execution environment. So let's just talk about some key methods and properties. So first, I want to talk about function information. For example, we have context.function name. Like, let me can do this, yeah. The first, we have context.function name. Second, we have context.function version. Oh, this is the version of the function. And also we have three context.function invocation ARN. Context.function invocation ARN. And this is the Amazon resource name. It's used to invoke the function, indicates if the function was invoked through an alias, for example. We have the requested ID, like we can think about that also, which it will be but this is not related to the function invocation, but we have like the requested ID, and this is the unique identifier for the request. We have some properties for the execution environment. So let's just go like that, and let's just say let's say one, it will be, we have the context memory limit in MB, like context. And this is the amount of memory configure for the function. We have the logger group name, like to. The logger group name is the log group of the function. We have the stream name also. And it's context.stream log stream name, and the log stream of the function. We have the execution information, like the context.get remaining time in mails. We have this one also. This one basically returns the number of milliseconds remaining before AWS Lambda terminates the function. This can be used to handle timeout privacy, for example. We have the callback waits for event loop. But it's not method. This by default, Lambda freezes the function and its callbacks when the function returns a response. If you set this property to false, AWS Lambda continues to process the event. Let's just give an example of the AWS handler here. So let's just copy this function and discuss it. So basically, in this example, the Lambda function logs the function name and the remaining time for execution. It also returns the AWS request ID and its response, and as a response, understanding and utilizing the context object, I will say, in my opinion, is crucial for writing effective and reliable Lambda functions, especially when dealing with asynchronous operations or needing to manage execution time and resources effectively. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and this is why we need the context. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video, and see you guys in future problem.